Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add external link in YouTube description. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your YouTube channel. Here you can see my channel. Then you simply need to click on content. Let me turn off the sound. And here you can see a video. And here you can see in description, I added a link. So let me show you. So I open this video on YouTube.
Hi guys,
Okay,
welcome to
let me pause this. And here you can see in description I added this Instagram link and this Fiverr link, and if someone click on that, he will redirect it to my Instagram page. So here you can see that. So how you can add that link? So you simply need to copy that from here, go back and paste it like this. So here you can see I added link like this and click on save. So this is the process by which you can add external link in YouTube description. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.